Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Shopify page. First, you will need to create your Shopify account, which is a straightforward process taking only a few minutes. Next, select a subscription plan that best fits your business size and goals. Then, choose a memorable store name and secure your custom domain. Finally, install a visually appealing theme to establish your brand's online presence. This foundational setup is crucial for a successful e-commerce venture. Once your store is set up, focus on populating it with your offerings. Upload clear, high-resolution images for each product, accompanied by engaging and informative descriptions. Group similar items into collections, making browsing intuitive for your customers. Don't forget to build crucial pages such as About Us and Contact, which build trust and provide vital information. Optimizing these details helps customers find exactly what they need. Now, let's make your store truly unique. Customize your theme by selecting brand-consistent colors and fonts to reflect your identity. Strategically arrange homepage sections to showcase bestsellers or current promotions, guiding customer attention. Consider integrating powerful apps to add features like customer reviews or advanced email marketing, enhancing the shopping experience. Always ensure your design is fully responsive, providing a seamless experience across all devices, from desktops to mobile phones. Before going live, meticulously review every store setting and perform several test orders to ensure a smooth checkout process. Configure reliable payment gateways, offering customers various secure options for their purchases. Once everything is perfect, officially launch your store and actively promote it across your social media channels to generate initial buzz. Begin implementing fundamental search engine optimization techniques to attract organic traffic, helping new customers discover your fantastic products.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.